Welcome to Adventures with Amiga. I'm so excited you're here with me today. Let's find out what our next adventure is going to be. What's this? A floating backpack? Wow, that's different. Let's look for a clue. Whoa, what is this? A spacesuit. Whoa.
Hi, Amiga.
Hi, Robo. What are you doing here today?
I'm here to take you on a space-shape adventure.
On a space-shape adventure?
Yeah.
Did you hear that? We're going on a space-shape adventure. Well, maybe I should get dressed. Wow. I'm ready to go into space.
You look great, but
What's
it's
that,
almost
Robo?
ready.
This spaceship is almost ready to go.
Yeah,
It's right outside the window.
right outside.
Whoa! Do you see that spaceship? Come on, let's go on this space-shaped adventure.
Let's go.
Let's go! Wow, look at this spaceship up there. It's so big.
We must hurry.
What is it, Robo?
We must hurry. It's almost ready.
The spaceship is about to take off. Come on, let's hurry. Fasten your seatbelt.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Lift off! Whoa!
We're approaching outer space.
Whoa! We're in outer space. I am so excited to see where we end up.
Now approaching a circle planet.
It looks like we made it to our first destination, a circular planet. Wow! Roro, do you have some information for us?
Yes, Amiga. A circle has no edges and no corners. Isn't that fascinating?
So a circle has no edges and no corners. So it just goes around and around. That's very interesting. Let's look at other things that are circles, círculos. A planet, coins, a clock, gears, and a bicycle wheel. Oh, there's so many things around us that are the shape. A circle, a círculo. What are the things around you are circles? Do you see anything around you? Wow, what do we have here? Wow, this truck has circular wheels. They have no corners and no edges. They just go round and round. How awesome is that? All right, Robo, take us to our next destination.
Let's go. Now approaching the triangular asteroid field.
Wow, we're in a triangular asteroid field. Oh, look at the cute triangle. Oh, triangles in Spanish are triángulos. They have 3 sides and 3 angles. They're as sharp as our curiosity. Let's look to see what other things are triangular.
Let's look.
A
Wow.
sail, tortilla chips,
Wow.
and a pizza. Man,
Yummy.
that made me hungry. Look at all the cute triangles.
Aww.
They're so precious.
Now approaching a space station.
We've arrived at a rectangular space station. Notice the lines and the right angles, just like the doors at your home. In Spanish, a rectangle is a rectángulo. Can you say rectángulo? What other things are rectangles? Let's take a look. Wow, a fire truck. It looks like most fire trucks are rectangles. And a baby in a suitcase. Look at that baby in a rectangular suitcase. How precious. Oh, our tablets are also rectangles. And your cereal box is a rectangle. And Robo is a rectangle as well. Robo, did you know you're made of rectangles?
I didn't know that. Thank you for telling me.
How funny! Wow, look at this floating rectangular frame. Do you see the 4 lines and the 4 corners? That's a rectangular frame. Rectángulo. It looks like the TV in your home or maybe your door. All right, Roro, let's go to the next destination.
Let's go on to the next destination, Amiga.
Here comes a huge oval comet. Let's get closer for a better look.
Wow.
Wow. Did you see that oval asteroid passes by? An oval is like an elongated circle. What other things are the shape of an oval? The Colosseum, rocks, and an egg. An egg is also an oval. This adventure has been so much fun, but I'm a little tired. Hey, Roro, do you think you can get us back down to Earth?
Yes, I can. Are you ready?
All right, Roro, I'm all buckled up. Let's go ahead and make our way back home. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Now arriving to planet Earth.
Wow! We made it safely back home. That was a little bit of a bumpy ride. All right, I'll meet you guys back at the classroom. Come on, let's go. Wow! Aren't my feet happy to touch solid ground? That spaceship was so much fun. I'm so happy you got to join me on our spaceship adventure. We learned about a circle, a círculo, which has no edges, a rectangle, which has 4 corners, 4 lines, and in Spanish, rectángulo. We also learned about a triangle, which has 3 corners and 3 angles. It's called a triángulo in Spanish. And lastly, we learned about an oval, which is like an elongated circle, stretched out circle, which is an oval. That was so much fun, and I cannot wait for our next adventure. Thank you so much, Roro, for taking us on that amazing spaceship adventure.
You're welcome.
You were a great pilot.
You're welcome, Amiga.
Do you want to say bye to our friends?
Yes, I'll see you next time.
That's right. See you next time on Adventures with Amiga.